Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So for today's tutorial, I want to quickly show us how I made this flowers, this fabric flower that I attached to this dress. You can see it. I hope you can see it. So I want to quickly show us how I was able to make it. So you can also make it and attach it to your fabric, or you can decide to use it as a headband. So that is that. So let us quickly move over to the tutorials. So what you'll be needing to make this hand fabric is just basically you need a fabric. That's a fabric of your choice. It could be your Ankara or whatsoever. Then you need a button. That's you should use the fabric to make the button. Just like you see, I hope you can see this one. You can see the button here. Make sure that the fabric and the button and the fabric make sure that the fabric you use for the flower and the button are the same. So but you can decide to go overboard and try something extraordinary by mixing the color. So it all depends on what you want. But for mine, the fabric I used for the flower and that of the button was the same. So that is that. But for this tutorial, I will not this material I as in that I'm not using this material. So I'm just using my um plain bridal satin just to show us how I did it, just to show us how I achieve it. So that's that. And then you need your needle and your thread, and then you need a round shape, just to get your cycle. So depending on how wide you want it to be on or how small you want it to be. So it depends on the roundness of what you are using. So let me keep this aside. What you just do is just get your fabric. Mine is a little bit squeezed, but if yours is squeezed, make sure that you just press it out. You know, this is just a tutorial. I want to show us. You place it like this and then trace the shape. So let me get a pencil and just trace it. So what I'll just do is to basically trace it. The shape I used for this one is a little bit bigger than this one. So, but this just for tutorial sake. So it all depends on how wide you want yours to be. So I hope you can see it. You can see what I drew, the cycle. I hope you can see it. So you just go ahead and cut it out. Just cut out the shape. So you can see we have our round shape. You can see it. So you just get your needle with the thread. You know, this is the front. This is the right side of the fabric, and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So you just basically just stitch it like this. So this is it. You can see it. So what you just do is just to, you know, stretch it. You see it, stretch it. After securing the end, then you go ahead and just attach the button to it. So you see it, you see it. Then you can go ahead and attach it to wherever you want to attach it. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see it. So that is that. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. And for those of us that are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I make a new upload. So, like on your way next time with another interesting tutorial. Do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.